Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you and with my student how we want to solve the questions for math mawhoob. Okay, the first questions with my student who want to read Maria Al-Ghamdi. Read please the first question please.
In the example, Sami changed all signs plus to multiplication and changed all multiplication signs to plus signs and got the same answer. Which one could be his example?
Right, correct. In the example, Sami changed all signs to plus to multiplication and change all multiplication signs to what? To positive. Okay, the first one, you know BIMDAS? You know BIMDAS?
Yes.
Yeah, BIMDAS, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, BIMDAS. So what is it, the first one for BIMDAS?
Parentheses.
Grouping.
Yeah, right. The second subnonent, right?
I think it is.
Subnonent, power. The third, multiplication and division, right? And the fourth,
Exponent.
addition and right. From left to right. Okay, now my student here. Now 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 5 is 8. Also the second one, what is the answer? 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. Also, the last one will be what? 5. Then, this we will call what? All what? All sums? Yeah, sums from positive to multiplication. Here, multiplication, we put what? Plus. And here, what? Multiplication. Yeah, okay, we want to find the answer. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So here 16. It's not the same. Right? It's not the same. So the answer A is wrong. Right?
The answer got changed by 2.
Yeah. The second one. We want to change sign. Here will be plus and here multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 equals 12. So not the same. We will go to another one. Multiplication and add. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2. Oh my God, is 8. So the same. Right? Is the same. So the answer is what? Is going to be C. Right?
Mr.
Yes. What do you want?
I don't understand. You said something in the beginning of the question. You said, who knows? I forgot the word. What was it?
Do you mean PEMDAS?
Yes. What's that?
What?
PEMDAS. What's that?
BAMDAS, use, yes, you use the brackets, the first one, right? So BAMDAS, so use the brackets first. The second one, you use the exponent. The third way, you use multiplication and division. And the second way,
add
or minus.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yes. So don't we keep going on the
Okay,
questions?
now we will go to the question number 2. Okay. Who want to read question number 2?
Me. Teacher,
Okay.
me.
Yeah, okay, Latif, read, please.
Which of these is closest to 7? Closest.
Yeah, which of these is closest to 7? How do you know? Right, B. How do you know? You subtract.
Mr.
Right?
I know.
Yes, here you subtract. Here, what will I do? Subtract the big number with the small number. So here, 7.09 minus 7. We don't have decimal, so we put decimal and 0 here. Then we subtract. 9 minus 0, 9. Then 0, 7 minus 7 is what? So here, 0.09, right? The second one, we subtract also 7, we put decimal with what? With 6.918. How to subtract here, my student? 0 minus 8. Is it allowed? We can? No. So 0 minus 8, we can. So we borrow from 7, then put here 10, put here 9, 10, 9, 10. Here will be 6. Okay, 9 minus 8. Oh, sorry, 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. So the difference between them is 0.082. Which one is smaller? B.
0.0.
Yeah, B, the green one is the smaller than the red one.
I
So
didn't
the answer is
understand.
B. What?
I didn't understand.
Okay, you know how to subtract?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Only subtract this number with this number, with 7. Then we subtract, but he decimal 0, 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. So the difference between them is 0.09. Also, we find the difference between this and 7. Here we don't need to use it this. Why? Because 7.17 greater than 7.09. So no need to find the difference. Also here is far away from this. And this is far away. So which one is the answer? Is B.
Mister, I still don't understand.
Who not understand me?
Maria.
Okay, Nagam? Or
Maria.
Okay, Maria. Maria, read the question.
No. Which of these is closest to 7?
Yes. Which of these is closest to 7? What will I do? We subtract to find the difference between two numbers. Here, 7.09. You subtract with what? With 7. Then you find the answer. 9.0.
Oh, 9.
And also complete, please continue.
0.
Right?
Then 0.
So the difference here is 0.09. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, the second one. What is the difference between them? So you subtract 7 and with 6.918.
Yeah.
Okay. 0 minus 8
We can't.
is not allowed.
Yes.
Right? We borrow from what? 7 will be 6, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 8 is what, Maria?
2.
2. 9 minus 1
8.
is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0.
0.
And here will be 0. The difference here is 0.82. Which one is smaller?
0.082.
Yes, this. So this is the closest, the 7 is B.
اوكي. بس يعني طيب
Maria,
دقيقة. Yes.
here no need to use it again. Why? Because this number is bigger than the first one. So no need. 6.7
we try all of
is
them.
far away from here.
We try all of them. يعني starting from the first one.
Yes. The first one, second one, and you check this the number also. If you want to subtract, okay, no problem. Then you can find the answer. Okay, we will go with question number 3. Okay, Saleh, Nawaf, read question number 3.
Okay, teacher. A, B, C, B is equal to.
Right, here, what's meaning A, B, C, D? Here, what is it? This ratio. You know ratio? Ryan, you know ratio?
Yes.
Over what? Over B. This ratio does mean division. Divided by C over what? Over D. Right? Then what will I do here? We multiply. Okay, my student. So the answer here, we change division to what? Convert division to multiplication. So A over B, division, you what? Multiplication. Yes, it is what? And here D over what? Over C, right?
Teacher, C over D, I think.
Yes, you convert division to what? Convert division to multiplication. You know? And flip the fraction.
Teacher, I have another strategy. They call it keep me and change me and flip me. So if we want to convert it into a multiplication, we do keep me, change me, flip me strategy. The keep me, we will keep A over B, and change me, we will change the division into multiplication, and flip me, we will flip C and D until be D over C.
Yes, right, correct. Anyway, so here, that's the ratio. We convert the division to what? To multiplication. What will I do? Here, the ratio A over B, division C over D, right? So how I do it? So you convert division to multiplication, and you flip the what? The fraction. When you flip the fraction B over C, then you
I did not understand it.
A times D, B times C. Who not understand?
Me, I did not understand it.
You are Maria?
No.
Okay, Lubna?
Yes.
Yes, okay, Lubna. Look, if you see here, look this point to that here. This the ratio. That's we call A over what? B. And this will be division. C over what? Over D. So division, we convert to what? Multiplication, right? So A over B, this division to what? Over what? D
So D over C.
over C.
Why D over C, not C over D?
Because
Because-
you convert division to multiplication. You must flip the second fraction. You know?
Yes.
Okay, then we multiply direct. A times D is AD. B times C is BC, right? So the answer is what? Is A. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay, we will go to the fourth questions. Okay, can you read, Shahad?
I want to do it.
Yes, I can read.
Okay, read, please.
Omar multiplied the 40% of 2 by 60% of 2. The result is equal to 96 of 2 or 250% of 2 or 48% of 2, 24% of 2, 80% of 2.
Here, look, if you have like this question, you translate to equation. You translate in math. Look, Omar multiply 40%. So 40%, we write it 40 over what? 100. This means 40%. That's 40 over what? 100. You know? By what? By 2. Then we can simplify. It is what? Here, yeah, 0 with 0 divided by 2. So will be here what? It is 4 by what? By 5. Is it clear? The first step.
Why do you put
Hassan,
5?
Ryan. What?
Why do you put 5?
Because you divided by 2, you don't know how to simplify. You don't know how to simplify.
I didn't understand.
Okay, Lubnan, look here. You know how to simplify. Okay, my student, pay attention, please. 0 with 0 is gone. And you simplify divided by 2, divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is what? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then you multiply direct. 4 times 1 is 4. Then 5 times, put here 5 because we don't have denominator. Is it clear now? The first step there. Then the second one, multiply by what? Said 60%. So we multiply by 60%. So 100. What is the percentage? We need this 100. We can simplify 5 with 60. 5 divided by 5 is 60 divided by 5 is
12.
4 times 12 is 4,800. So the answer of what he said, of 2. So of 2. So the answer is what? Is going to be C.
Mr. I don't understand. How did you get 4 out of 5?
You simplify only Paris. Because 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 60 divided by 5 equals what? 12.
Yes.
If you simplify, you find a factor, a common factor. then you divide it by the same number. If you divide it by 5, so the next number divided by 5. You know? Is it clear, my student?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, this.
Yes.
Mister, I didn't understand.
You don't understand that? Read, please, the question.
Omar multiplied the 40% of 2 by 60% of 2. The result is equal to
Right.
96% of 2, 240% of 2, 48% of 2, 24% of 2, and 80% of 2.
Yes. Look here. The box in red one, this is the first step. Nagam, you know?
Yes.
40%, that's mean 40 over 100. Time 2. Right?
Yes.
Can I simplify now?
Yeah.
0 with 0. We cancel out. Then divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. Then 4 times 1. 5 put here. Right? This is the result. The second one in box number 2, the green box here, said multiply by what, my student?
60 over 100.
over 100. Right? We
Yeah.
can simplify. Divided by 5 is 1. Divided by 5 is 12. So we multiply 4 times 12 is 48. Divided is 100. That's mean 48%. You know?
Yeah.
So what's
Yeah.
the answer here? It's going to be
48% of 2.
Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Right. Okay, now we will take maybe the last question. If we have time, we will go to
Teacher?
the 6. Yes. What do you want?
Can I answer? Teacher, I
Right.
didn't answer
Risa.
today.
Okay, Risa, read question number 5, Risa.
تم تقسيم الأعداد 1
No,
2 3.
in Arabic, in English. You are in Arabic?
The numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are divided into 2 groups, each containing 4 elements, such that the sums in both groups are equal. It is known that 1 and 3 are in the same group. Which number is also in that group?
Yeah, Risan, you are studying in international school or in government school?
International.
International. Good, good way. Okay, here, look here. We have 2. We want to divide it by 2 groups, right? So the first group and the second group. So we want the group are equals. The group are equal. How I know? I give you a
I will
short
take the first.
Yes.
I will take the first number and the last
Right.
number.
Intelligent. Yes. Smart girls. Right. Good job. So you take the small one, the smallest with the biggest one.
Yeah.
Plus 8
Then
is 9.
9.
2 with 7 is 9.
Yeah.
3 plus 6 is 9.
9.
So, and we write it the group. He said 1 and 2 are in the group. 1 and 3, sorry. 1 with 8,
And
3 with
6.
The another numbers, we
2
write
and
here.
7.
2 and 7.
And 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Now we have 2 groups. So which number is also in that group? In the
6.
first group. Yes. Why you didn't say 8?
Because we don't have in the
Yeah.
answers, we don't
In the
have 8.
option, yes. In the option, we don't have 8.
We just have, so I will take 6.
Yes. So the answer is what? Thank you, Risan. So the answer is 6. Is it clear?
I didn't understand.
What?
Yani just 1 and 8. Why we get 1 and 8 and 3 and 6? We only put it in the first group.
Yeah, 1 and 8, 3 and 6, we put in the group. 2, 7, 4 and 5, we put it in another group. So
Why
the answer, yeah, the answer is 6.
we put 1 and 8 in the same group because 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 3 plus 6 is 9.
Yes,
Oh.
because we said dividing in 2 groups, each containing 4 elements, such that the sum in both the groups are equal. How to write it equals? So we add the smallest one with the biggest one. Then we find. Is it clear? Right.
Why
Yes.
do you put 1 and 8 and 3 and 6 in a group and the other in a group?
Yeah.
Yes,
How did
because-
we know those are the numbers?
Yeah, how do you know? If you have many numbers, then we want to write it the same group. So the smallest one with the biggest one, you add 1 plus 8, then 2 with 7, 3 with 6, 4 with 5. Then all of them are equals 9, 9. You know? So when you add them, then you get the same answer. Both groups are equals.
So even if I put like 1 and 8 and 2 and 7 and 4 and 5 and 3 and 6, it don't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yes. Is it clear, my student? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, do you want to repeat? Or we will go to the another question?
Other question.
Yeah.
Go to the
What's
other
your question? Okay, the last question, please. Now, the last one.
Can I read it?
Okay, read Usama, Sadaq. Read, please, the question.
The agency called to the hotel administration and reserved 5 rooms with 3 beds each and 1 room with 2 beds. Later, they counted that the final number of tourists is 25. How many 2-bedrooms they must reserve additionally?
Yes. How many the agency called the hotel administration and received 5 rooms. Each rooms has what? How many beds? 3 beds. So 5 times 3 equals what? Equals 15, right? So now 1 room with 2 beds. 1 times 2 equals what? 2. Then we add them. We have how many rooms? 17, right? Okay, what's happened? Later, they counted that the final number of tourists is 25. So what is the remainder? We need how many rooms? Not 4. No, how many rooms? Yeah, maybe 4, right? But how many beds we need? Yeah, 25 minus 17. So how many beds we need? 8. Then divided by 2 equals what? 4. So how many rooms I need? 4.
4.
Is it?
I didn't understand.
You didn't understand?
Yes.
Okay, my son, read the question, please. I want to explain with me.
The agency called to the hotel administration and reserved 5 rooms with the 3 beds.
Yes.
Each
Please stop. 5 rooms with the 3 beds. 5 times 3. How many beds we have?
15.
15, right. Complete, please.
Each and one room with 2 beds.
Right. How many beds? 1 times 2? It's what?
Equal to
It's 2.
2.
Right. How many beds we have now?
2.
Yeah, 2 with 15. My son.
17.
17. We have 17 beds. Right. Okay, continue, please.
Later, the counted that the final number of tourists.
Yes.
25.
Right. So now.
How many 2 bedrooms they must receive?
Yeah. We subtract. Then how many beds we need?
How many 2 bedrooms they must receive eventually?
Yeah. How many beds we need? Because 17 already we have. But we have how many tourists? 25 tourists. Subtract with 17, then is 8. Divided by how many 2 bedrooms? Divided by 2. So how
4.
many rooms? Is 4. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. Good job, my student. We will continue, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much. Do you understand everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we
Have a nice
understand.
time, my student.